Hey, my Swiss rain sound family. I don't know if you can hear this and see this, but the clouds are gathering. It's about to rain. It's about to rain. And there we go. I'm waiting for the thunder flashes and the lightning. What the human eye can see, there is a huge, thick cloud that's just diffused all over this area. And that means only one thing. It's about to rain. So my Swiss rain sound family out here in Switzerland, get ready, get ready, get ready for rain. So the countdown starts. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready, get ready, get ready for rain.